thing I will point out, looking at the stage, right? They're directing the audience to look at the stage, see the action. But there's one face in every Pantage.
And what would you call it? The lure. She didn't return his love, so he hung himself from the girders. So he's haunting this area. Resident ghost.
He's very friendly though.
He is.
He likes
really
to play
nice.
pranks.
I think
he's
he
not
just
scared.
'78, so 3 years, 288 days was all that it took to rebuild this theater. It opened to a sold-out house. It opened. This is my favorite part of the tour. This is my favorite part. I'm going in here.
What's so special about that washing machine?
I have no idea.
This is the premier dressing room. This one. Bob Hope stayed here when he came. So pay attention, remember this. There's dressing rooms all up and down this hallway. And you were standing up here, and so the washer or the dryer. That's why I don't want this wall down here. Sierra pointed out the faces, and we had to get that all redone, and we copied in Tacoma. So they hauled these there, made the plaster casts of them, hauled them back in there, and put them up.
You guys just get longer to look around now.
Mini office chairs. Way more space.
We took that opportunity to build this box theater. Yeah. So it's in the style off up here. It's down this hallway that our community has. So you'll see, I don't know if there's any in this hallway, but you'll see we would curate an art on the wall gallery. And so we would have shows from the Yakima and just have to cut out whole scenes because they couldn't get the prop or they couldn't get that.
We had 2 last year, so it's one of them.
And then I will invite everyone to come take a look at the new star dressing room.
Individual rooms.
Yep, so they'll go into individual rooms. No personal space.